Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Formlabs Form 3 Plus. A professional-grade stereolithography 3D printer known for its magnificently detailed objects. But be warned, mastering this machine can be quite the challenge. The Form 3 Plus is an industrial-quality desktop 3D printer designed for professionals, perfect for rapid prototyping and parts production. It uses stereolithography, the first-ever 3D printing technology developed. In SLA, an ultraviolet laser traces each layer of the object on a vat of UV curable resin, creating highly detailed prints. Formlabs has come a long way since their first printer, the Form 1 Plus. The Form 3 Plus is part of the Form 3 series, introducing low-force stereolithography technology, reducing forces on parts during printing. This results in smooth parts with fine details and sharp points. Setting up the Form 3 Plus is relatively straightforward. Attach the build plate, plug in the printer, and connect it to your computer via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Prepare your 3D model using Preform, Formlabs' free 3D printing software, and send it to the printer. The Form 3 Plus excels at producing high-quality prints, but it's not without its challenges. Some users reported issues with tray and cartridge compatibility. Don't worry, Formlabs customer service is responsive and helpful in resolving these problems. After printing, you can use the Form Wash and Form Cure units to rinse and cure your prints, ensuring their durability and strength. The print quality of the Form 3 Plus is undeniably impressive, especially for complex and detailed objects. Prints come out clean and well-formed, rivaling the best in the industry. However, removing prints from the build plate can sometimes be tricky. Consider using Formlabs Build Platform 2 to make the process easier. Additionally, mastering the use of supports is crucial for successful prints. In conclusion, the Formlabs Form 3 Plus is a powerful and reliable 3D printer, but it's not for the faint of heart. Expect a learning curve, but with Formlabs' assistance and your determination, you'll unlock the full potential of this amazing machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time. Happy printing!